With sunlight and air, we can bring water to the desert. So the ideas of what renewable energy can do brought to water, doing for water what solar did for electricity. And can you imagine a more amazing place than one of the most dry deserts in the world here in Dubai?
Since we started 7 years ago, of course, our first goal was to present the heritage and the culture of the UAE, but we wanted to do it while we protect the environment as well. Source was definitely a very, very big and important player and added a lot. So starting from tomorrow, Platinum Heritage, no more plastic bottles. Now it's going to be the water that's been produced in these panels. And this is why we are here, to celebrate and be proud of Source product being part of Platinum Heritage effort in being sustainable.
We're especially proud to be doing that here at Platinum Heritage and with IBV, because what we're here celebrating in another sense is the traditions of the people that came before. The Bedouins and the Emiratis and the people that lived in a traditional way and by definition and intrinsically had to live a sustainable lifestyle.